We're Nat and James, and this is our sailboat Zephyr. She's taken us all over the world and been our home for 3.5 years. With over 20,000 nautical miles under her keel and our sights firmly set on sailing around the world, we're on a mission to make some vital upgrades and much needed repairs. So join us every week for a new video. If you would like to support our journey, a great way is by clicking the subscribe button. Enjoy the video, guys!
You're a beautiful sight in the summer night.
Alright guys, so I've cleaned a couple of these bilges, but we've only got this far at the moment, so just those two. I haven't got to all this stage yet, because I think we just need to move some stuff off the boat so that we can get to all these bilges here. Because otherwise we're going to have no floorboards and then just tons of stuff everywhere, as you can see. Our first full day on the hard. It's time to pressure wash Zephyr from top to bottom.
Alright guys, we have hosed the boat down, and in preparation for the hull above waterline here, we need to get this hull back to bare bones before we start fixing all the little dings and stuff. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to remove the boot stripe, and there's a stripe inside in that inlay there, the Beneteau name, the logo on the front. We got to remove all of those stickers off the hulls, both sides. Now we don't have a heat gun yet, we're going to just see how it goes, but if we need to get a heat gun, then we'll grab one. Alright, let's get on it.
Well guys, it's day 2 here on Zephyr while it's on the hard. We've done a fair amount. We've taken all the stickers off the boat, all the Zephyr logos, all that kind of stuff came off yesterday. And then today has just been kind of measuring stuff out, getting the sink measurements, getting the flooring measurements, all the stuff that we're thinking about changing, and trying to put some costs together and see what's the most efficient way of doing things. So that's been kind of today. We're going to reach out to a plastic welder to try and fix the plastic water tank that broke. You would have seen in our video in Panama when we found out it was broken and we had fresh water leaking in the boat. We got it out and we are just contacting somebody now. And apart from that, we are waiting for some stuff to arrive. So I think that's always the hardest part. You want to get started on all the stuff, but you're waiting on things to arrive, and also the preparation kind of takes up a lot of it, and the actual work is probably much less so. So we're trying to prepare as best we can, but we really just want to get stuck into it, so it's kind of being a little bit hard, right James?
Yeah, it's always hard waiting, but
yeah,
Nat's right. 80% prep, 20% work, I'd say.
That's right.
So we're just kind of waiting for all our supplies to arrive.
Yeah. The salon windows need to be replaced, so we get on the phone to a couple of manufacturers. After a lot of admin work in the morning and a little playtime with Nelly the yard dog, it's time to get back to work. It hit your head. Did it hit your head? Hey? Yeah, it did. It hit your head. A little later that day, it's time to get the broken water tank off the boat and straight to a plastic welder. Does that close?
No, it's like I can't believe that. But we're gonna have to drive with the car like this.
We need to put something on there, no?
Nah, it's fine.
We get the water tank to Thermo Mike in Annapolis, who gets to work on fixing it.
Right, we're here with Mike at Maritime Fabrication. He is fixing our beloved water tank we haven't used for the last 8 months.
Yeah.
It's been a while. So we're going to double our water supply thanks to Mike here. Basically he's using this tool that's sends hot air onto the plastic, melts it, sort of fills in that crack, and then what'd you do? You used like a butter knife, it kind of looked like, didn't it?
Yeah, it's a little putty knife thing. I think it's really for like oil painting or something, but it does sealant and stuff real nice.
What are you doing? They're just sort of moving some of the softer plastic around to fill in that gap.
That water came out,
Yeah.
a lot of hot, it had like, I guess the water probably got it extra hot somehow just in the cavity, and then so it started to hemorrhage molten material, which I think is really good, because that means it's covered a lot of that surface area. That break should be back to consolidated.
Okay. Well, I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All the best, bro.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys, big day today. We've got the water tank repaired. We're gonna grab it, put it in the boat, fill it with water.
See if it holds.
See if it holds.
And put it on it.
Alright, Dad.
We'll put it in the water tank back in.
Match it out.
I really hope that it doesn't leak, because if we do all the work of getting it back in, which is a horrendously huge effort. There you go.
Oh, what am I doing? We don't want to put it in because we need to repair that first.
Oh, we just made a huge mistake. We need to repair the fiberglass in there. So that's just like the dumbest idea we've ever had. Look at my new flooring. All right, guys, so today my job is going to be laying down these tiles. Now, these are peel and stick tiles that we got in Home Depot. They're the beach ones, and I really liked the pattern on these. I thought it was awesome, and I think it will really brighten up the floor in here. Now, originally I had looked into possibly doing something with this flooring, and unfortunately, because it's veneer, it's really, really hard to do anything with it. Like, you can sand it, but you've got to be really careful, or professional, which I am not. And it's just proven to be tougher than what I thought it was going to be. So I've decided the best way to go is to actually buy these stick-on tiles. So I'm gonna do the whole entire boat, and I think it's gonna brighten it up quite a lot. These ones are 12 inch by 24, and it covers, each packet covers about 30 square foot per box. And I think we got 2, so that's 60, and I think our boat is might be a little bit more. We try to work it out, but I think we were sitting maybe on 65. So we might need an extra box, but we'll see how we go. So that's my job now. So I'm gonna clean the floors first. Then I'm gonna make sure that there's no debris whatsoever on them. And I'm actually gonna do the bit right underneath here, under the table first. And I might stop there until we get more works on the boat done, and then I'll lay the rest down, because we're gonna be going back and forth through here, so I don't wanna really lay brand new stuff. But I just wanted to try it out underneath the table first to see what it's gonna look like and how difficult the installation is gonna be. This one here is a vinyl tile. It's actually pretty thick. I don't know what the thickness is, but it's thicker than what I thought it was going to be, and it's actually pretty heavy. I really liked it.
It's going to look well modern, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going to look so different. And our floors right now are so bad. Like, there's just cracks everywhere, and it just looks really old. I think this will give it a really brand new, fresh kind of beachy feel.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much brighter in the boat, I think.
Yes, definitely. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna measure out all the little corner edges that I have, and then I'm gonna cut my tile to that to fit those bits, and then start sticking. So I've got a pencil, I've got a ruler, and I've got an X-Acto knife, and I am ready to go.
Look how bright that is.
Water all over it.
It's already, look how bright that is, and it's not even stuck down. Cool. Well, how'd it turn out?
I think pretty good. I mean, it's the first go, so...
Wow. Incredible. There's a seam here, and you can't see it.
No.
High five, baby. That's incredible.
I think it looks really good.
Excellent.
This looks so much better. So much better. I just hope it lasts.
Yeah, it looks
But
incredible.
I really like
Look at that
it.
contrast.
Yeah, I really
It looks like a Nudufor or something, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks epic.
Yeah.
Next week on Sailing Zephyr, we receive a huge crate from Total Boat, and boat works fully get underway here at Kentmore Marina.